Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to INFINIX Zero X Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up. And allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of INFINIX. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. Either way, when you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and now just pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add Allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your INFINIX camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then hit Receive button to connect. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!